Welcome to English with Me channel. Learn English through stories.
Goodbye, my dear. Remember to lock the door. Carefully at home. We will be back tomorrow.
We remember. Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Mom.
Here we are, number 50. Hello, it is the pizza delivery. Anyone home?
Here I come. Wait a second.
Here is your pizza. Thank you.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy our pizza.
Wow. It smells so good. What is that, Jack? It smells like a delicious pizza. Wow! It's our pizza. Mom and Dad ordered it for us. Let's eat it for our dinner in the living room.
The night is very quiet. No one is outside.
It has tomatoes and sausages. Wow! This pizza is so good. Come and eat, Jack. Mom and Dad understand us so clearly. They chose the right flavor.
I'm feeling that today is my lucky day. This house looks like a treasure to me.
Mom and Dad will not come home today.
That's nice. I will take every valuable things in this house. Look what I have here. Where is the money? This bag is useful. I can use it to steal more stuffs. Let me find something to eat first. So many foods here. Nice snacks. I will take some of these. I will not have to go to the store to buy food tomorrow anymore.
So after eating, we have to clean ourselves. This is so good, but I'm so thirsty. Emma, do you feel thirsty? Yes, I do. Please take a glass of water for me too. Okay, stay right there. Wait, what are those? Mom cleaned the house before she left. So this may be not from Dad's shoes. I did not lock the door. Someone broke in our house. Let me see where those shoe prints lead to. Oh no, a thief. I must tell Emma about this. Emma, a thief broke into our house and stealing stuff in the kitchen. Okay, let me think. He broke into our house so he might see us when he passed the living room to the kitchen. So I have an idea.
The kids are still watching TV. I will go upstairs and find more valuable stuffs.
He's upstairs now. We will call the police. Be careful, Jack. Hello! There is a thief inside our house. Please send someone here. We are very scared now.
Stay in a safe place, little girl. I'm on my way. There is a thief in the house number 50.
I called the police. Let's hide in here, Jack. Let's wait for the police. Did you lock the door of this room? I locked the door. Don't worry.
Where do they hide the money? What a treasure! Jewelry and some cash. Lucky me. I will be rich. Oh no, the police. How do they know I'm here? Oh, no. Who put them here?
My trap is working. Jack, they are here. We are safe.
This is the place. Let's go. Look what we got here.
Fine, I surrender.
You are under arrest. All right, get inside. I'm Officer Ben. I know you are in there. Come outside. It's safe now. You are so brave. And I'm glad that you are fine. I think this bag belongs to your family. There are many snacks, jewelry, and money there.
I will give it back to my parents. Thank you for saving us, Officer Ben.
We will tell your parents about this. So they can come home early. Don't worry.
Thank you, officers. Goodbye. This time, let me lock the door for you. No one can break into our house from now. Thank you for your attention.